Albany International Airport HS Information Hotel, 15510 Zulu. Wind 250 at 8. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 6,000. Few clouds at 2,000.
3876,
Temperature.
South 3876, Albany Tower, runway 19, clear to land.
038.
Clear to land, 19, South 3876.
And use.
Wind 320 at 8.
Runway 01, RVR out of service. Runway 19er, RVR out of...
Right, so we have tower inside there. And what? I think I'm teaching. 120.
Albany Tower, Skyhawk 65620, 2500, navigating straight to 86560.
Yeah. 1.5.
Skyhawk 65620, Albany Tower, runway 28, clear to land, wind 260 at 8.
Runway 28, clear to land, 620.
When you come into Class D, there's a procedure you got to follow. You got to call clearance delivery, pick up clearance first. Then you got to go to ground, pick up your ground instruction.
Yeah, grounding, okay.
Then you go over to tower, then you go over to departure, then you go over to trade plan.
Ah, sure.
When you're in these Class Bravo, Class Charlie. You have to deal with everything here. Like Delta and stuff like that now. One guy will control everything, but not like this. So this is how I'm going to pick it up. Clearance delivery November 907 Charlie.
Sierra 907 Charlie, Albany clearance.
907 Charlie, I have to pick up IFR clearance, a Kilo Hotel Foxtrot Delta. 907 Charlie.
.907 Charlie, clearance, go ahead.
07 Charlie, I have to pick up clearance to Hartford. 907 Charlie.
Sierra 907 Charlie, cleared to the Hartford Airport via the Albany 7 departure. As filed, climb maintain 4,000. Expect 7,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 132.82. Squawk is 5311.
Sirius 907 Charlie is cleared to Hartford Airport radar vectors. Albany 7. Then as filed. Climb maintain 4,000, expect 7,010 minutes after. Frequency 132.85, squawk 5311, 907 Charlie.
907 Charlie, the departure frequency 132.82. And rest read back correct.
132.82, 907 Charlie. So, Albany 7, ... Same thing I'm putting inside here. Can I tell about?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
907 Charlie, copy 132.82 for the departure frequency. Everything else is correct.
Nothing wrong with this. 132.82, 907 Charlie.
Back correct.
Okay. So we'll climb to 4,000, expect 7,010 minutes after. Frequency is that. Then we're going to put in this now, which is 5311.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to a different procedure now, which is 121.7. So what's that?
1.7.
Oh no. Before you do them thing, you want to put up a taxi instruction.
Yeah.
Taxi, so you
can follow them, yeah.
Albany ground, Sirius 907 Charlie, information, Foxtrot at Millionaire, ready for taxi.
Sirius 907 Charlie, Albany ground, runway 28, taxi via Alpha Charlie, cross runway 1.
Alpha Charlie, cross runway.
Taxi Alpha Charlie, cross runway 1 for runway 28, 907 Charlie. Taxi Alpha Charlie, cross runway 1 for 28, 907 Charlie. Taxi Alpha. Taxi Alpha. Then Charlie. Okay. Sure. Mic thing sticky.
Stick. Alpha. Class 1. See, cameraman, now I'm going with that thing today.
620, turn left at Alpha to Customs, this frequency.
Oh, Alpha. Yeah, we're on Alpha. Okay, runway 1. Come up.
Skyhawk 620, actually, I'm going to have you turn left on runway 1 and taxi via the runway to Echo.
Breeze, is that the breeze of a plane?
Yeah. Taxiing. Oh God, thank you.
Get some speed on that.
Number 4165, Albany Tower, runway 28, clear for takeoff, wind 3007.
The terminal, the terminal over there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's where the regular people come. Everybody with that, eh? What a nice thing, that's you.
Wicked, you know?
Low.
Where's wicked, man?
Alpha Charlie. Cross runway.
Call him again, man. May I just call him again?
Yeah. Make sure. No play.
Albany ground. Albany ground, Sirius 907 Charlie. Holding short at Charlie. Runway 1, man.
November 07 Charlie, cross runway 1 at Charlie.
Cross runway 1 at Charlie, 907 Charlie. Cross runway 1 at Charlie, 907 Charlie. Big Bird, get up, boy.
Yeah.
Clear runway over here, clear over here.
Yeah, clear, yeah. Yeah, boy, something gone there.
Easy for taxi now. Feel that easy?
Yeah, because you're going the opposite way. Yeah, breeze
the wind
now.
change.
Yeah.
Number 4165, connect departure, have a safe flight.
You turn on the camera?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
We not come, we not blow straight down, so the tailwind have right now.
Yeah, that's right up, man. Taxing is easy,
Run,
man.
Yeah, behind here now, man.
I'm bird up on the field over so. You see him?
Mm-hmm.
Moving on. Sometimes some of them birds are mad, you know. They're flying that plane, huh?
Yeah.
They're flying that plane like that video, you know, Val.
Man, you don't have a clue how expensive them become at that time. Only power lever full forward engine. There's 80 knots, flaps up.
Tower 07 Charlie, holding short at 28 on Charlie, waiting on IFR release.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, Albany Tower, runway 28 clear for takeoff, wind 290 at 7, gust 14.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, 907 Charlie. Delta gust 14. You ready, Val?
Yeah. Yes, Lord. Thank you again. Further down.
Gust, I'll go put it in a crosswind. Yes, sir. Airspeed alive.
Alive, yeah.
We're flying. Tap our brake. Gear up. So I'm climbing now with him nose up in the air.
Yeah.
Get
Way
used.
up in the air.
Yeah, I get used to him now.
Yeah, man. It's a thing I style him on style, you know.
Yeah, man. Finds up his nose up in the air and he might give you 100 knots. I have to get used to him. Sometimes you have to point him out further to.
Yeah. Cut him down a little bit.
Yeah.
80.
Cirrus 07 Charlie, contact departure. Have a safe flight.
Going to departure. Thank you. 907 Charlie.
Traffic not available.
Departure 907 Charlie on runway heading at 1300.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, Albany departure radar contact. Turn left heading 190. Maintain 4,000 for traffic.
Turn left heading 190. Maintain 4,000 for traffic. 907 Charlie. Flaps up, boost pump is not required, mixture is lean. Yeah, boy. Feel it, boy.
Yeah.
We're 907 Charlie, flight heading 100. Climb and maintain 7,000.
100, climb maintain 7,000. 907 Charlie.
Albany information, India now current, Albany altimeter is 3036. Delta 1137 descend and maintain 3,500.
3,500, Delta 1137.
Boost pump is off, flaps is up, 85%, pull power back down, 80, go back on 100, add in,
Fuel pump off, cruise power set, mixture, lean as required. Engine parameters. Okay, fuel flow and balance.
yes sir Val,
Yeah,
been swinging all over the place man.
yeah.
Approach Allegiant 209 with you out of 12A, descending 11, 11,000 at Bowen, information India.
Agent 209, Albany approach altimeter is 3035. Expect the visual approach runway 28.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, I'm going to trim for your 20 knots climb out speed from here.
Okay.
Delta 1137, Albany Airport, 10 o'clock and 7 miles.
Airport site, Delta 1137.
Delta 1137, cleared visual approach runway 28.
Clear visual 28, Delta 1137.
I'm going to fly through my course. So, because I'm more or less off the traffic. 5,000 hour climbing.
November 07 Charlie, clear direct Chester.
Clear direct Chester, 907 Charlie. I say I'm going to fly through my course, so that's a good thing.
Delta 1137, contact Tower 119.5, good day.
Tower 195, Delta 1137, good day.
Agent 209, descend and maintain 10,000.
On course for Chester.
10,000, Legion 209.
So you see the procedure coming out of a class Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's not hard. You just have to, you follow a DP procedure if there's no SID there, but you have a SID number, just follow the SID.
SID.
Clear for the SID. The SID is the Albany 7. And the SID mean instrument. SID means standard instrument departure.
Oh, okay.
That's the meaning of a SID.
Okay.
Yeah.
Departure.
And the ODP, that's another term we use. And the ODP mean obstacle departure procedure.
Okay.
Max climb up to 7,000 and then
Legion 209, descend and maintain
Cool,
4,000.
you know.
4,000, Legion 209.
all them flying and flying about. Because when it's a bumpy,
yes,
just grab the control and fly it.
Yes.
I work the server them too much.
Yeah, or keep on, yeah.
The autopilot flight good enough, but it work the server too much, man.
Too much, yeah.
Yeah, just grab the control and fly it, man.
Hey, yeah.
November 07 Charlie, flighting 190 vector for traffic.
190, 907 Charlie. Take you off for the route.
Route, yeah. Road traffic.
Departure American 710, 1.9 for 4,000.
American 710, Albany departure radar contact, turn left heading 330, climb and maintain 10,000.
Left 330, 10,000, American 710.
Number 88 Echo, descend and maintain 3,000.
Maintain 3,000, 1 Echo, thank you.
So when
Legion
you get
209 depart Canaan, present heading, direct
when you get bumpy like this ball,
yes,
you can always ask for a block altitude. If you're unable to maintain altitude,
oh, okay.
ask your block altitude of 500 feet or 1,000 feet.
Oh, okay. So you get that buffer there, you mean, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
American 710, contact Boston Center, 121.35.
121.35, American 710.
Yeah, mark up.
Yeah?
Come on to 11 there.
Oh, traffic?
Yeah.
Right now, I just depend the gauge I'm going to try to maintain altitude on.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, traffic inside.
Oh, you see him? Yeah. That's why them cut you off course.
Yeah.
Come here.
7 Charlie, traffic not factor clear direct Chester.
Direct Chester, 907 Charlie. Direct Chester, 907 Charlie.
Read back correct.
Go back on course now.
November 88 Echo, Albany Airport is about 11 o'clock and 10 miles.
Roger, airport inside 133, thank you.
We're 88 Echo, cleared visual approach runway 28. You're going to be number 1 to the field. Keep your speed up as long as practical. Contact tower 119.5.
Contact tower 119.9, 119.5. Visual runway 28, 188 Echo, thank you very much.
Legion 209, reduce speed to 190 for sequence.
Total 190, Legion 209.
And just see me I go through valley and then get bumpy. And fly him, just like a turkey.
Yeah. Yep. Oh. As I remember, try to remember right. It was sink, heading, altitude. So?
Yep.
Yeah.
So, what you notice now? You notice that 95% of it, say 90% of the time,
yes,
whatever forecast.
Legion 209, Albany Airport, it's your 10 o'clock, 17 miles.
I remember there was we did the flight plan and we were reading the briefing, the weather briefing.
Yes.
Tell it was about moderate turbulence and stuff like that.
Yeah, the Albany Airport site currently at your 9 o'clock.
You come up here, you
feel it, yeah.
Legion 209, cleared visual approach, runway 28.
But sometimes I tell you about it, come up here and don't feel none.
Right,
you don't feel any.
Right.
Yeah, but on a day like today with the temperature and whenever you have the time clear like this,
yes,
you can expect a rough ride.
Whenever you have it clear like this, you can expect a rough ride.
Yeah, high pressure pass through and stuff like that.
Oh.
07 Charlie, contact Bradley approach 125.35. Good day.
125.35. Good day, 907 Charlie.
Coast Guard 201, traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles up.
Bradley approach, good day, 907 Charlie, checking in at 7,000.
07 Charlie, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3037, advised information Lima at Hartford, and say approach plus.
3730, 907 Charlie, and we'd like to do the RNAV 2 into Hartford, 907 Charlie.
07 Charlie, roger, proceed direct snivel for the RNAV 2, advised of Lima.
Proceed direct snivel for the RNAV 2, 907 Charlie.
November 07 Charlie, proceed direct snivel and advise of information Lima.
We're going to proceed direct Snivel and with advice when we get information. 907 Charles for Hartford.
November 80326, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3037, information Romeo, turn out Westfield.
Yeah.
3037, information Romeo at Westfield.
Direct Snivel. Right there and there.
Departure November 240, November Yankee 2000, climbing 3000, runway heading.
And 240 November Yankee, Bradley departure, again, climb maintain 10, 10,000.
Activate approach.
10,000, November Yankee.
0 November Yankee, radar contact 2 north of Westfield, Bradley altimeter 3037, turn left direct mobs.
At some point, may I forget one plane with you at the pilot plan?
240, November Yankee 3037.
No, that isn't too much. You went and do it in.
Yeah, but other pilot are flying now in the bus.
Yeah, I know, and I do it now to still, but...
This can shut down.
Yeah, can maybe turn on the back when you look to go land and stuff. There's some. People for a while ago.
November 0 November Yankee, contact Boston Center 132.65.
3265, thank you very much for the work today.
No problem.
November Yankee, good day.
See ya. And November 06 Bravo, how's the ride there compared to 6,000?
Turbulence petered out around 7,000, nice and smooth at 8. Thanks for the help, I appreciate it. 06 Bravo.
Yep, no problem.
Niner. At 5, on initial contact, you have information Lima. Hartford Brain return information Lima 1653 Zulu weather. Wind 280 Niner, gust 15. The weather is better than 5,005. Temperature 12, dew point -10. Altimeter 3037. Landing and departing runway 2. Arrivals can expect a visual approach. TFR is in effect off of the Hartford 263 radio, 10 DME, 4 nautical mile radius from surface to 3,000 MSL. For further information, check the FTC note on /4113. Vehicle aircraft requesting flight following or to enter the Bradley Charlie airspace. Advise ground control of your destination with altitude for a peak code assignment. Caution for birds, wildlife, noise sensor barriers in and around the airport. For cranes, south to west of runway 112 At 5, on initial contact, you have information Lima.
We have Lima. You want to do an instrument, want to fly an instrument approach or you want to go direct? You have time?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I have time. I'm still, once you can.
Alright,
I'll be far.
I'll put on other pilot, we're kind of bumper right or so.
Yeah.
Here we go. Boom, boom. Altitude. Enter.
Yeah.
Bradley departure Frontier 1685, 2 for 4,000 on a 280 heading.
Frontier 1685, Bradley departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10, 10,000, pursue direct veers.
10,000 direct veers, Frontier 1685, veers.
I'll try to put in an approach every
number 21627, contact Boston Center 123.75.
12375 627.
Bradley departure 97240, 1100 for 2,500 assigned.
Number 97240, Bradley departure, radar contact, altitude heading your discretion, Bradley altimeter 3037.
Our discretion 3037, 240.
Frontier 1685, contact Boston Center on 132.65.
3265 Frontier 1685 too.
Bradley King at 350, Bravo is 11,000, we have Papa.
I'm sorry, who was that?
350, Bravo Zulu with Papa, 11,000.
350, Bravo Zulu, they gave you the wrong frequency, contact approach 123.9 or 5.
Okay, 2395. Bradley approach Aztec 5856 Yankees with you, 8500.
November 5856 Yankee, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3037, verify landing Simsbury.
3037, Roger, Simsbury.
Roger.
Airspace. Advise ground control of your destination with altitude for a peak code assignment. Caution for birds, wildlife, noise sensor barriers in and around the airport.
November 07 Charlie, contact approach 123.905.
At 5, on initial contact, you have information Lima.
And approach stationary 558 Tango, just departed Westfield, survey work 5,500.
November 07 Charlie, contact approach 123.905.
123.905, and we have information, Lima, 907 Charlie.
Roger. November 558 Tango Alpha, Bradley departure, radar contact, Bradley altimeter 3037. Where's the survey work going to be?
Looks like about...
Approach 907 Charlie, level 7000. Good day.
November 907 Charlie, Bradley approach, Charlie.
Good afternoon, Bradley, Sirius 941 Sierra Lima, just off Robertson, looking for flight following to Norwood on the Sirius SR-22.
Sirius 941 Sierra Lima, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3036, stand by for squawk.
3036, 941 Sierra Lima.
Southwest 850, contact Bradley Tower 120.3, have a good one.
20.3, U2, Southwest 850.
Sirius 10 Lima, squawk 5361, ident.
5361 in the flash, 941 Sierra Lima.
Freefall 1 is 1 minute.
Touch all aircraft in the vicinity of Ellington Airport, parachute operations in 1 minute, out of below 1010,000.
Approach, good afternoon, JetBlue 138 at 13,500 across Madison, 11,000. We have information, Papa.
November 0 Bravo Zulu, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 350 Bravo.
JetBlue 138, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3036, expect the visual approach runway 2437.
3036, request 33 if available, JetBlue 138.
TFR is in effect off the 263 radio, 133,
thank you, JetBlue 138.
mile radius from surface,
November 17 Tango, contact approach, or actually
For further information, check the FDC note on /4113. Vehicle aircraft requesting flight following or turn to the Bradley Charlie airspace. Advise ground control of your destination with altitude for
Charlie, 6,000.
6,000, 907 Charlie.
Hartford Brainerd Tower information, Lima 1653 Zulu weather, wind 2809 gust 15. The weather is better than 5,005. Temperature 12, dew point -10. Altimeter 3037. Landing and departure runway 2. Arrivals.
Lima. Lima, yeah.
November 0 Bravo Zulu, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 0,000.
JetBlue
JetBlue 138, proceed to Acadic, join the final approach course, descend and maintain 1010,000.
Acadic, descend to 10,000, JetBlue 138.
To bump if you go so fast, you know?
Oh, okay. Yeah, smooth, yeah, okay. Yeah, a little space on it, but yeah.
Yeah, if we get too bumped, I have to slow down to 120 knots. It's a maneuver and speed 133.
Yes. Oh, okay.
So it's bumpy.
Yeah, 129.
November 17 Tango, contact Proton 125.35.
125.35 for 17 Tango, thank you.
Gross weight.
November 0 Bravo Zulu, turn right heading 060.
Right turn 060, 0 Bravo.
341 jumpers away.
341, roger. 341, I don't think it should be the jumper, but traffic a mile northwest of your position, type unknown, primary target only.
341 looking.
Good,
341, traffic no longer observed. JetBlue 138, trying to maintain 4,000.
Nice waypoint, yeah.
138.
We go kind of like a reservoir, river, lake.
November 0 Bravo Zulu, just going to maintain 2,500, turn left heading 360.
2,500, not 360, 0 Bravo.
07 Charlie, level 6,000.
November 07 Charlie, roger, thank you.
Traffic 12 o'clock. 2 o'clock. You see him?
You say 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, you see me.
November 07 Charlie, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000, 07 Charlie.
November 0 Alpha Tango, say altitude.
0 Alpha Tango, I'm at 6,000, going to start descending to 5,000.
November 0 Alpha Tango, roger. November 07 Charlie, maintain 6,000.
Maintain 6,000, 07 Charlie.
November 0 Bravo Zulu, Bradley, 11 o'clock, 11 miles.
Insight.
November 0 Bravo Zulu.
You said down to 4 o'clock.
Contact tower 120.3.
Yeah.
This is the visual 33 over the tower, 0 Bravo Zulu.
November 07 Charlie, traffic 2 o'clock in 5 miles southeastbound, descending out of 5,500 into Brainerd.
Looking for traffic, 07 Charlie.
November 0 Alpha Tango, maintain VFR below 4,500.
I'm sorry, you said maintain VFR?
November 0 Alpha Tango, maintain VFR at or below 4,500.
Roger that. I'll start descending to 3,000.
JetBlue 138, descend and maintain 3,000.
Send to 3,000, JetBlue 138.
Bradley, approach Warrior 82743, starting descent for 4 Bravo 8.
43, roger, the airport, 12 o'clock and 7 miles. Our service is terminated. Squawk
The right, yeah man. The right, right above the...
82743, frequency change approved.
Above the,
Squawk VLR,
yeah, man.
airport 7 miles.
Yeah, right above the layer, the thing there.
I'm sure, man, I have a 7C before I can report it.
Oh, yes. Look half fire, sir. And go straight up. But where cloud there, look right above it a little bit. You almost like one speck of cloud. Oh, look, I've got to be high.
No, man,
I know that.
Too high.
Oh, I never saw high.
In my 5,000.
You look like I'm playing there.
They're below me.
So, okay, so I can't that then either. And then.
Approach 341, we'll get you on the next one.
Yeah, I'm not sure Mr. like you move
over Robertson,
like you're right. Yeah. Like you're right.
Flying over Robertson Airport now.
Oh, the thing there, oh yeah, coming from something there.
Airport Cypher, JetBlue 138.
JetBlue 138, clear visual approach runway 33, maintain, or correction, do not exceed 170 knots.
Okay, clear for visual to 33, not to exceed 170 knots, JetBlue 138.
New York traffic lights for 520 Alpha Tango, request termination of flight following.
November 520 Alpha Tango, you can just give Brano Tower a call 119.6.
I'm going to squawk VFR and call tower, 520 Alpha Tango.
You can keep the code, that's fine. JetBlue 138, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles, about 3 miles northeast of the final, type and altitude unknown, primary target only.
JetBlue 138, looking.
Bradley approach, 48 Zulu Alpha checking in, 2.5.
November 48 Zulu Alpha, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3036.
3036, 48 Zulu Alpha.
November 8 Zulu Alpha, say destination.
Destination is Papa Victor Delta.
Bradley 07 Charlie requesting a low altitude.
Number 07 Charlie, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend maintain 4,000, on 07 Charlie.
Bradley 111 Mike Alpha's with you, 5.5, 6.5.
Last calling, say again, was on the landline.
Baron 1 Mike Alpha checking in, 5.5, 6.5.
November 111 Mike Alpha, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3035.
3035 Mike Alpha.
To the tower for JetBlue 138.
JetBlue 138 tower, 120.3, you have a good one.
Thank you, and good day to you, JetBlue 138.
Bradley, Cherokee 8429 Alpha, 1,400 just departed Brainerd.
Cherokee 8429 Alpha, Bradley approach, ident, Bradley altimeter 3035.
3035 and ident for 29 Alpha.
7 Charlie, turn left heading 15, correction, turn left heading 140.
Left heading 140, 907 Charlie.
November 290 Alpha, radar contact 2 northwest of the Brainerd Airport, verify climbing out of 1,600.
Position and altitude check for 290 Alpha.
November 290 Alpha, roger. Number 1 Sierra Lima, contact approach 119.0.
19 nothing for 941 Sierra Lima.
Number 9 Alpha November, contact New York approach 124.07.
124.0 for 9 Alpha November.
124.07, 2407.
2407, 9 Alpha November, have a good day.
Approach November 811 Quebec, level 4,000 with request.
November 8118 Quebec, Bradley approach standby, Bradley altimeter 3035.
35.
Approach Southwest 1308, passing 8,500 for 5,000, heading 110 with Papa.
Southwest 1308, Bradley approach, roger.
Clear for landing, well, yes. Flaps.
1308, turn right heading 150.
Right 150, Southwest 1308.
Go to 18 Quebec, go ahead, what's your request?
Albany, the
We filed for 6, we're getting rocked around at 4, so just wondering if we can get the 6.
Fuel system check.
18 Quebec, I actually got to get you down to 4 anyways to New York, so you'd probably go up to 6 for maybe about 20 miles, and I have to get you back down to 4.
We'll stick it out, we'll tough it out.
Roger that. Sirius 07 Charlie, turn left heading 090, center maintain 2,500.
Left heading 090, descend and maintain 2,500. 907 Charlie.
Bradley approach 28565 to Mike.
Calling Bradley approach, ending in Mike to the full call sign again, please.
28565 to Mike.
Meridian 5652 Mike, Bradley.
52 Mike, yeah, we're about 20 miles to the north. I'd like to transition through the airspace if possible down to Republic Fox, that's Foxtrot Romeo Golf.
Do you want to fly following all the way down to Republic?
No, just over your airspace.
Meridian 52 Mike, squawk 5240.
Approach 40 Zulu Alpha, we're just wondering if you had another frequency for us. It's coming in really broken.
40 Zulu Alpha, unfortunately 2395 is the best one I got.
Copy that.
Meridian 5652 Mike is radar contact 21 miles north of the Bradley Airport, altimeter 3035, verify 3,400.
3035, and right now we're at 3,300. Back to Mike.
Roger. 07 Charlie, 030, intercept the final approach course.
The 030 to intercept the final approach. 907 Charlie.
All right, hang on, everybody. November 07 Charlie, heading 030, intercept final approach course.
030 to intercept the final approach course. 907 Charlie.
1308, center maintain 2,500.
2,500, Southwest 1308, we do have a field.
1308, cleared for the visual approach, runway 24.
Clear for visual 24, Southwest 1308.
Somebody else got a question for Bradley?
Okay, right slope alive.
What, 25?
Yeah, 25.
November 46, 33 Sierra, contact approach 125.35, bye-bye.
Route 2.
Sierra 07 Charlie is 5 miles from Lomas, maintain 2,500, choose status on the final approach course, cleared RNAV, runway 2 approach.
Maintain 2,500 until established on the RNAV 2 approach, clear into RNAV 2 approach to Bradley. 907 Charlie.
November 46, 33 Sierra, Bradley.
Alright, clear now, so.
Southwest 1308, tower 120.3, bye-bye.
20.3, good day, Southwest 1308.
November 46, 33 Sierra, Bradley approach, if you hear me, ident.
Approach Delta 2525, 9.5 to 75,000 with Papa.
Delta 2525, Bradley approach, center maintain 4,000.
To maintain 4,000, Delta 2525.
07 Charlie is established.
7 Charlie, thank you, British Tower 190.6, bye-bye.
Going to tower, have a good day, 907 Charlie.
Copy that, 10 miles for 76, Mike, we'll see you soon.
But we can now line up with
Bernard Tower, Sirius 907 Charlie on the RNAV. GPS 2, 907 Charlie.
Sirius 907 Charlie, Brainerd Tower, thank you. Report Lomas.
Report Lomas, 907 Charlie.
Sirius 907 Charlie, you may see traffic off your left side indicating 3,600, not verified, and it's south and eastbound appears.
Look in, 907 Charlie.
Wind 320 at 7, gusts 15.
Yes, sir. I feel the gust.
Yeah.
Right there and then, you know, so we're going to turn up the approach course speed.
Yeah.
Boost pump on, mixture is at required, flap is 50. We have gusting knots, 2200, and rolling and going through. And the miss, we're going to go down to 460. I don't think we're going to miss today. It's a beautiful day.
Flight 4520 Tango, Brainerd Tower, be a right turn when able and contact ground, please, 121.6.
Roger, thanks.
Rear flap. Seatbelt. Harness. Fuel pump. Mixture. As required. Flap as required. Autopilot. Okay.
07 Charlie is at Loomis.
Cirrus 907 Charlie, Brainerd Tower to wind 3101 runway 2, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 2, 907 Charlie.
Loomis.
Wind 3109 gust 15.
1531090. Okay, run inside, we're going to break off from here.
Wind 300 at Niner.
Roger.
And November 313 to Quebec, Brainerd Tower, are you coming inbound soon?
Okay, boost pump on, mixture reach 80 knots. Get on speed. Break off the instrument approach. Turn to line up on final. 600 feet.
Yep.
90 knots. We're going to carry 10 knots extra.
29010.
Brainerd Tower, Warrior 300 to Quebec is 12 miles southeast with Lima inbound full stop.
November 313 to Quebec, Brainerd Tower, roger. Stand by, please.
Stand by, 3 to Quebec.
Number 2476 Mike, Brainerd Tower, are you going to continue south or are you going to be inbound soon?
Make sure you strap up, you know. Val, give it the sweetest ride you can, but...
yeah, the wind.
November 313 to Quebec, Brainerd Tower, just
you want to know if a pilot is good?
Westbound, if you could, please.
If you have good landing on the gusting.
I may have traffic for you to follow inbound.
Heading westbound, clear to Quebec.
Wind 2706, gust 15.
I see him there. Good to see him there, man.
November 2476, Mike, Brainerd Tower, you up? Sirius 907 Charlie, Brainerd Tower, you looking for a Delta or you need hotel?
07 Charlie, going to take Delta. We'd like to taxi straight ahead to Tidal.
07 Charlie, Brainerd Tower, that's approved as requested. You can start your taxi and then just give ground a call as your taxi, please, 121.6.
Going to ground, 07 Charlie. I think I'm alone at work today. Ground 07 Charlie at Delta, like to taxi straight ahead.
07 Charlie, ground taxi, Jet Center Alpha Hotel.
07 Charlie, like to taxi straight ahead to Premier, 07 Charlie.
Okay, taxi straight ahead for 07 Charlie.
Straight ahead on Delta, 07 Charlie.
Maybe choose a nice day. Buddy, come out.
I'm telling for God Jet Center, I'm not God Jet Center. Wally, what time you have?
It's a good time, man. We have 1:35 if this is right.
You have a drink a beer, you have to give me a beer, no?
Yeah, man.
Bring it back one time, you know?
Yes, man.
Alright, no fool on alcohol.
Good afternoon, Brainerd Ground. Mr. Capelon,
Well, I
531 Juliet.
Yes, man.
At the T hangars with
yes,
Lima
man.
Southeast departure.
Every time, man.
301 Juliet, ground runway 2, taxi Charlie Alpha, cross 29.
Yeah, man, 137, that's good, man.
Runway 2 via Charlie Alpha, cross 29.
Outside fire, okay, water jobs plan, avoid, okay. I think about the fire thing we are going.
Berlin. Fire Berlin.
Restriction in place for aircraft and all zones, no zone zone.
But they tier 5 them put up for the fire we are,
yeah.
fire we are going on there.
Yeah.